Hey guys, welcome to Wolverine Gaming. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Top War mobile game. So for that, you need to go to your profile section up here. Click on this. After that, you'll see your designated name given by the system or all the information about you can edit in here by clicking on this button. Just click on this button and you can change your name for free once. Okay, so I'm gonna name my channel name. So let's see, it takes the name you entered exceeds the normal range. The system will automatically shorten to Wolverine. Okay, that's fine. So you can see I have now changed my name to Wolverine, and you can see there's also a gender change option given here. You can also change your gender if you want, or you can keep it as it is. Okay, so and there's an account linking here. If you link your account on Facebook or Google, you can save your data of game. So you can do that and you'll get some gift for that. So this is for today guys. I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe to my channel for all the survival games tutorials and guides. Thank you.